Welcome to Politics Plus with Nkosi Zulu. On today's episode, we have invited our Victoria Mxenge, Zonal Coordinator of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, Ubaba Ugcina Dlamini. This is the platform where news meets passion and insight. Uzosinikeza a lot on current issues, nanokuthi iyini responsibility yakhe politically, nanokuthi sesimbone egroundini egijima but ke sizokuyekela kuyena konke okunye. Comrade Gcina, do you call yourself comrade or commander?
Commander.
Okay, Commander Gcina Dlamini, introduce yourself.
No, thanks Makeba. Ni staff sonke se podcast. Kama ngugcina Dlamini nje obusoshilo. Currently o leader lapha komkhonto wesizwe eVictoria Mxenge as a coordinator. Osekhona okwamanje iVictoria Mxenge ke izone ela Durban Central enama ward 7, namely ward 23, 24, 25, 29, 31, 34 and 36. So yeah, currently ikona engisakubambile njengamanje la kumkhonto wesizwe. Mhlawumbe kodwa mawuthi I'm not sure ukuthi kubaleni nje ngisho ukuthi ugcina Dlamini ngokuhlala ulapha eward 29 njoba ekumkhonto wesizwe ngokuhlala lapha eward 29 kodwa ngokuzalwa wasempendle le modlula ko Pietermaritzburg.
Hayi, no siyabonga we Commander Gcina Dlamini. Akukho ngabalekile sizofika kukho konke nanokuthi ubekwe ubani oba ngiyazi kumkhonto niyayibeka. Ngiqhamuka nje umuntu evuke se coordinator kodwa ke sofika kulokho okuncane sifuna ukuthi ukuchazela ama guest wethu ukuthi mhlambe who is Gcina njengoba usuqhamuka uzonal coordinator usuka empendle mangabe ukuthi wazalelwa khona sifuna nje ukuthola ukuthi wazalelwa phi wakhula kanjani in brief kwathini kwena ukuthi ugcina usujoin ipolitiki.
Oh okay, hey indeke leyo Mageba. I think makufaka ngiqale ukuzala kwami I'm told ukuthi ngazalwa eMshiyeni 1982 March 1. Ngizalwa wayengakabi uMrs Dlamini, ngizalwa uNtombenhle Ngcobo, uCynthia uma wami nobaba wami umzwakhe uStuart Dlamini. Uma ke ngokuzalwa wasendwedwe kwanyuswa lapha ebukhosini bakwaNgcobo. Uma then ubaba wasempendle bahlangana kwabahlangana eMlazi kwaC imizi yasekhaya nje okwakumalume ngezansi uC433 then wasekhaya ongenhla kwawo C433 wona uC4 C4
nakulungile ngoba ngeke
singivakashele address yasekhaya isindala ngeke sekudala ngaba asi but I'm saying ukuzalwa kwami ngahlahle ngizalelwe eMlazi. Umuntu ngokukhula ke wakhulela khona eMlazi, ngimatriculate khona eMlazi Swelihle High School. Ngase ngiyasuka lapho umuntu wahamba wayosebenza eThotha Boshoek kune company ekhona lapha eSouthgate supply uThotha ngeyihlala uThotha Boshoek, so umuntu usenze lapho. But in terms of politics, when I was still in high school umuntu wajoin umzabalazo high school nje eSwelihle. Ngaba upresident weSRC yase high school. At that time umuntu did not have information eyanele ngokhosas and stuff like that. Sasulitha nje umzabalazo high school esikoleni ukuthi siyibambele thina nama comrades because at that time principal wethu waye kulenhlangano le yamakhehla ngaleso sikhathi, so umuntu had to try ukuthi apushe izinto ngenkani esikoleni ukuze kwazi ukuthi but nje I was elected by abafundi kuba upresident. Angizange nje ngizikhethe ngangi-electwa abafundi, so umuntu oqala lapho uunderstand umzabalazo. So when I went ngiqala kuyosebenza ngafika ngayi-activist union engayifica imisebenzi kwakuNUMSA, which at that time it was a very progressive union, a red union, a union nje untouchable. Ipolitiki ikwenza konke, so umuntu mangifika ku workplace ngafika ngajoina inyunyane iNUMSA and then I became an activist yaka NUMSA for a couple of years. So uma usemsebenzini ke zibaningi izinto ezenzakalayo yabo uyakhula ngomqondo. Remember usuke ungumfana waselokishini oyiphumela esikoleni wahlala mhlawumbe ekhaya lo mnyaka ungasebenzi ungafundi, then uyafika ku workplace ufica obhuti abadala obabadala yabo banezinto abakushintsha kuzona nje umqondo. So nepolitiki yami yakhula lapho through ipolitiki yoba bengangibafica emsebenzini. Ukushintsha from leyanto yami yase high school naselokishini ukwazi ipolitiki nje into yokulwa yabo, into yempi yabo. I started to understand ukuthi ipolitiki kahle into efayisiza abantu noma into ithuluzi efalusebenzise ukunite abantu ukuze bakwazi abantu ukusizakala noma ukubenefita kuleyo unit. So I will say more than ipolitiki yami yaselokishini mhlambe ye-ANC Youth League noma i-ANC, because njengoba ngisho umuntu wayengumfana waselokishini engayinake kakhulu lento le. Into eshape kakhulu ipolitiki yami i-union politics. When I join uNomsa emsebenzini, that's why umuntu eqale khona ukunderstanda kahle ukuthi kubaleka ngani uba kuyipolitiki eSouth Africa noma umuntu yabo. So from there ngibe kuNomsa noma ngasakhumbula iminyaka emingaki, but after that iNomsa took a resolution. Remember bengivele ngizalwa ekhaya, ngizalwa ubaba eyicomrade le-ANC, so ngase ngijoin iNomsa ngangivele nginalo nto ukuthi ngumuntu vele oqhamuka ka-ANC. So iNomsa took a resolution, I think in 2012 if I'm not mistaken, where iNomsa took a resolution yokuthi iyawushiya iCOSATU, iyaphuma iCOSATU, citing so many reasons ababewabeka ama-comrade. So mawenzeka leso siphithiphithi umuntu wafa ibusi as a member ukuthi okay mangabe iNomsa ihamba ishiya iCOSATU iyake iphiyosenza nobani, because umuntu umekhula wazi ukuthi ipolitiki yenyunyana iyahambisana nepolitiki yamaqembu ezepolitiki. So ngathi iNomsa ithi iyaphuma kwiCOSATU, that means iyaphuma kumbimbi le-ANC. Then umuntu wathi no, akuyona decision right, so I did not support that decision. Mangayisupport that decision, there were many comrades esingayisupportanga now. Then we form a union called Limusa. Ekuyona eyangena as a metal union kwaCOSATU, which I became the first provincial secretary KwaZulu Natal we Limusa. Became a PC member eCOSATU. I think for 6 years ngiyu provincial secretary waleyo union. And again ila umuntu khona futhi aphinde wafunda okuningi from abaholi abaficile kwiCOSATU abakade bekhona belida ngaleso sikhathi. Mhlambe ngababala they were comrades abanjengo comrade Edwin Mkhize waye provincial secretary, umuntu wafunda okuningi kubona. Comrade Phakama waye unobhala weNehawu at that time. Comrade Nyandeni waye unobhala weSamu. Comrade Noma Russia waye unobhala weSathu. So political those comrades and many other comrades umuntu wafunda okuningi, because kangimusha kule yanto yokulida at a provincial level. So umuntu wafunda okuningi kubona wathi ukushepeka kancane kangconywana kwipolitics. So wahamba isikhathi iNomsa noma iLimusa took a resolution again with Congress to support i-resolution yeCOSATU yokwakha ama-unions amakhulu. So iCOSATU took a resolution eyayithi ama-unions awahlangane, anama-sector that are close, awahlangane akhe ama-union amakhulu yabo. So iLimusa was one union that supported leyo lokhuzane ukuthi ihlangane ne-NUM. So iLimusa yahlangana ke ne-NUM. Then ngaleso sikhathi ke ngaphuma ku-union politics, ngayiqhubekela ngaba yi-activist le-ANC eWard 29 la ngibrancha khona eKhathomen, la ngisabrancha khona namanje. So after that ke umuntu kwaba active nje kwipolitiki as usual kwi-ANC. Angaze kwi-ANC angaze ngisithole ithuba even lokulida iBC masikhuluma iqiniso, angazi, but umuntu has been there nje as in a forefront ukuqhuba umzabalazo ukuthi umzali ungapheli kubantu. So I think kwahamba kwazofika iMK, yabo. So makufika iMK ke umuntu comrades ubengena choice, because ka ANC bese kuningi kakhulu bese konakele obese kulimaza nangendlela umuntu ayefundiseke ngako ipolitiki. Khumbula ukuthi ngithe ekukhuluma kwepolitiki isikhathi esiningi ngikhule kwi-space ama-unions la ipolitiki yami khona engathi ibe matured khona ispace ama-unions. So bese ziningi kakhulu into bese zenziwa ukhongolose bese ngibona ukuthi asabasiza abantu ziyabalimaza. So kuthi amaqhamuka MK nami njengawo wonke umuntu comrades upresident uma announcer ngaba omunye walawo ama comrades ngawo umhla ka16 owathatha isinqumo sokuthi I'll join umkhonto wesizwe abe member. So yeah, I think that's the journey. Mangifika ke kumkhonto wesizwe ngijoin umkhonto wesizwe as an activist, ordinary member. I led ama campaign. Ngakhumbula umkhonto wesizwe ngoqala bekunama motorcades. I led motorcades yaseKhathomena and other programs nje. I was in forefront, but came a time where sekwenziwa ama appointment leadership, because I know what you are interested in, ukuthi umuntu aba kanjani coordinator ngithi. So came a point where sekwenziwa khona ama appointment leadership. I was appointed by uComrade uNtando Mkhize wayo coordinator wetheka leso sikhathi. I was appointed as an election manager. Remember bese lama appointments I think eziwe ngabo toward the end of January sesilungiselela ukhetho luka May. So I was appointed as an election manager. Then ngalida ke kukhona ucoordinator wami kwakade kuComrade Sibonelo Ngcobo no convener okwakade ku commander uMratho iSocial Chesterville. So umuntu walida after ukhetho, then kwaba khona ushintsho kuyizone ethe zona level lobuholi where I was kwaqala kwakhona ushintsho kuyi-region qala kwaphuma ama-comrades akade khona ekade lead uComrade uNtando kwangena oComrades uShezi as ucoordinator. Then umuntu wase kuba ke noshintsho olehlela kumazone njengoba wazi umkhonto ushintsho malenzeka phezulu liyehlike kanjalo uze lifike phansi. So nami ke I was appointed, sengi-appointa uDlaba as u-coordinator we-region yeTheku, esengi-appointa as u-coordinator we-zone i-Victoria Mxenge. I think it was around abo June kanje, if I'm not mistaken. It was around about June. Then umuntu ke that's why today ngiwu-coordinator wase-Victoria Mxenge. And ngiyakholelwa ukuthi sikuningi esesikwenzile ne-leadership enga-appointwa noma engisathunywe nayo. Kuningi esesikwenzile comrades. I think amongst other things esiyenzile engayisho nje ebalekile, we hosted one of the biggest events kumkhonto wesizwe where we invited ama TikTokers. Remember ngathi kuzoyokhethweni umkhonto wesizwe no support kakhulu kwi-media. So igenge ka TikTok iyona we forefront ukuseculator information ngomkhonto wesizwe and everything about umkhonto wesizwe. So we decided as the leadership izona ukuthi no, let's have an event, invite all those comrades, make them bazokhuluma nabantu, esibanize that kind of a platform. So we did that event. It was a very successful event. Ngenhlanhla uComrade uMacingwane uWillis wayekade eqeda appoint about 2 or 3 weeks ago before. So then we invited him. He was a main guest speaker, noma a keynote address on that event. So I think those are one of the highlights nje umuntu asewenzile as a coordinator wezone.
No, kulungile mholi. Ngizocela ukuthi understand ukuthi as much as conversation nami as a host, I might, obviously because I do a background check,
sure,
I have the comprehension of the processes mhlambe zeinhlangano ngenhlangano kodwa singenza ama assumptions ngoba siyenzela ishow siyenzela ama viewers,
sure,
ukuthi we understand ama processes. I'm saying because as I know ukuthi umkhonto appointed from top to bottom. Angwazi mina lokho. And nama viewers amanye esiwenzela yona le show awakwazi. But before simuvela ku segment number 2, ngicela nje ukubuza a very lama questions azodinga one sentences noma yes or no. Umbuzo wokuqala, are you an ANC member? Dinga yes or no.
Currently.
Are you an ANC member?
No.
Okay. I will give you again a background as to why umbuzo wami bengubuza, because I've had quite a few guests from MK sitting there and they seem to be conflicted at times mangabe go draw ama party lines. But the next question is, comrade, normal command, so you'll be referred. There is also a guest that we had invited before that sat here from Umkhonto weSizwe, when he also mentioned ukuthi was also appointed as elections manager. And that comrade ubuya kwi-National Parliament. And after umbuza embalo, I picked up ukuthi comrade, why appoint yena noma why include kwi-list parliament. Wena comrade wavijwa yini noma wena commander wavijwa yini ukuthi uyifake kule list makabe elections manager. And I'm saying so because he told me in this show he was the one sitting in that office punching in those names. So perhaps mhlambe ungangiphendula ngokuthi your duties were different wena bakuthatha bakujikjela lapha emgwaqeni bayihlalise office, kodwa ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena yini ungayifakanga kule list parliament.
Okay, I think mina ngangikuyizona level. Mhlawumbe ucommand lokhuluma ngaye, mhlawumbe wayo elections manager at a provincial level where those decisions were made. Yabona le but kuthina la kwi level yamazone we were just facilitating ukuthi ama elections enzeka ngendlela eright yini, ama campaigns are there, people are aware ukuthi kwenzakalani. So that was our role.
Yes, good. Okusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi kufakazela khona lokho ukuthi ngithi as an elections manager wena you were that type of elections manager bamjikjela lapha emgwaqeni while abanye beyihleli office. You are basically saying that but in different words. And I understand you are a politician.
But let me assist you. Okay. Let me assist you, Makeba, because into enzekile fasichaze le yama comrade lawa aye parliament kanti abeyisa wona.
Comrade noma command.
Yes,
are you by that statement oqeda ukusesha, are you validating ukuthi akhona ama commander ayisa eparliament?
No, ngikusho on the basis of your statement.
Okay.
Yabo confirmed ukuthi there was a guest eyayilokhuza eyayisho lonto leyo ukuthi iyona iyayifaka.
No, ngithe after doing questioning and analysis,
yes,
my objectivity was ukuthi, not my objectivity,
your conclusion. Okay, now I get it. No, I you told it wrong, Pets. Now I get you. But let me just give you a piece of my understanding. And I think enzekile, comrades. Some of us when you join Umkhonto weSizwe, we're very disciplined. Me personally, I knew my comrade. I my position. I in the power. Yokwenza lawo ma allocations. But because upolitiki yami inonembeza, angizange ngenze ngisho attempt yokusondela ukinfluence ukuthi ngiboneleleke nami kulonto leyo. Angizange ngenze attempts, and there are many comrades like myself enza njalo ahlale nje azi ukuthi mhlawumbe usondela kosibani mhlawumbe into ingenzeka but sangasondela yabo. Ngiye ngenze ngisho example mangikhuluma namakhombi ngithi yazi mina uPresident Jacob Zuma the last time ngikhuluma naye ngangiseka Khosathu noma ngangisale D-Union kumkhonto weSizwe. I always ask myself, why should I go to President Zuma? Yabo, because President Zuma ayik advising ngamneza wona manje. Yabo, is ulapha, but comrade ayaya lapha every time trying to kuba ill discipline Makeba. Yabonto le. So yeah, but this is my view ukuthi mina I was disciplined, comrade. I angifuna nje influence anything kulezi zinto ze parliament.
No, I understand. Nane discipline kuma comrades no more commander singayidiscussa at length but ngoba discussion esincane.
Sure.
Umbuzo wami ngifuna ukudonsa lapha emumva but I'm going to be quick.
Okay.
Ukuthi you started activism esikoleni.
Sure.
Umbuzo wami uzothi do you understand ukuthi yini politics mangabe uzothi you started the politics esikoleni high school? Ngoba noma ubani comrade noma command ozothi I started the politics high school. Ukulwa nothisha akukhona ukuba i-politician akukhona ukuba i-activist. Ukuthi go against imithetho ebekiwe akukhona ukuba i-politician noma ukuba i-leader. So it's into the reason I'm asking this question is because usuka kwa ANC futhi ukhuluma nange discipline.
Sure.
But you are a disciplined command. Sisibabone nje abantu bethi ba ama politicians ba ama activists ba yonke into ngoba nakho bekwazi ukuvala umgwaqo beshisa amathaya abanye. So more especially futhi la besibakade sibabona bekwi ANC inqwaba yabe sebekumkhonto singeke nje size sikuphike lokho. So kumina njengamanje obhlela kubukeka kuba contrary because from ANC to MK I picture noma I frame ebekwa ama comrades aka ANC ngalokho kade ngochaza ukuthi they tend to become activists or politicians by blocking the roads, by singing, by being vocal, then they call themselves politicians. Then mase bebuya kumkhonto how they become disciplined. Bangisho ukuthi wena you were one of those.
Sure.
But kucishe kumuntu obukayo athi ay but siyayazi ANC. Then ANC yona lehleli njengamanje ekhulumayo. How do you then distinguish I-discipline mangabe usuka umkhonto but siyazi ukuthi usuka kuleya ANC ekade ngiyichaza.
Okay. Okay, hlama sihlukanise umkhonto ne-ANC before hlaba singene kulento yepolitiki ukuthi ngokwami ngicathini ipolitiki. Umkhonto comrades uyi-vision ka-President Zuma, nothing else. Yabo? Now uZuma mayipresenta lento yokuthini into yokuqala ayikhulumile noma enye izinto ayikhulumile ukuthi nje umkhonto into yabantu abanobuntu noma wakhelwe ukuthi sibe nobuntu.
Yeah.
Yabo? President Zuma mayipresenta umkhonto upresident wathi umkhonto owabantu owomphakathi. Akubona owethu ezo-coordinator ezo-convener ezobanibani akubona oma leaders umkhonto wabantu abamnyama in particular. Yabo? Now umehluko phakathi kwe-ANC nomkhonto ukuthi when ngijoin ANC because one ANC ngijoin ngaka-understand but sese ngi-understand ANC. What I can tell you ukuthi ANC yama card carrying members. That's why makuyokhetha ikhansela ka-ANC kuba ne-BGM noma i-BBGM where members of the ANC will elect a candidate. Like you have 100 members in the branch will elect a candidate for iwadi enama voters awu 13,000. So these 100 people abayi members ANC bane responsibility noma eyabi ANC ibona fa bakhetha i-candidate. Now kamkhonto umehluko ukuthi uma zokhetha i-candidate thina ama leaders nama conveners and coordinators asinayo into ethi sovalana ekhoneni nabantu bethu sikhetha umuntu bese simise emphakathini. Umkhonto ngoba wabantu umkhonto i-candidate must come from abantu.
So ngamanye amazwi ngaba ikhansela lomkhonto ungeyona imember
ungeyona imember umkhonto.
Okay, umkhonto akuyona nami ngaba umkhonto without having
ube card carrying member. No,
that's very nice, that's sure. Very progressive ngoba that is why you are actually even able to be umkhonto but uyi member ka Khongolose. Ungaba imember ka Khongolose kodwa uwumkhonto noma ungaba umkhonto kodwa uyimember ka Khongolose.
Now leyo ufuna sichaza mangivuma kanjalo iyingozi kumina. Yabo? Because izothi kubantu kusho ukuthi dual membership kumkhonto ivumelekile.
No asikhuluma nge dual membership, asikhuluma ngomuntu oyi-1 one membership
eyodwa
membership phela ngithi ake sithi nje cela ukwenza iexample ngami nakho ngila ngine membership ka Khongolose but ngumkhonto there is allowed in a yes or no.
No, it's not allowed.
Okay, another scenario is nakho ngiwumkhonto but ngine membership ka ANC, is that allowed?
No, it's not allowed.
Okay. How do you then besesizodlula nje siya kwi progressive discussion, how do you then assure or vet ukuthi umuntu olethwa umphakathi for an appointment of a councillor noma to be elected as a councillor ukuthi akayona imember yenye organization noma akayona imember ka ANC?
Remember i-councillor Mageba elomphakathi vele.
So into nje sibe fast forward, mina ngingaba yi-councillor lomkhonto ngine card lika ANC.
Yes,
good ukusho ukuthi ngiyimember ka ANC but ngiwumkhonto.
But
into lana ke i-conclusion ithi i-ANC ne-MK kungaba into eyodwa noma kuyinto eyodwa.
No, ngeke kuze kube into eyodwa. Umehluko ukuthi Mageba ngenkathi umphakathi ukukhomba wena uthi wena iba i-candidate, kusho umphakathi ofuna i-candidate kodwa elizongena esithombeni somkhonto, but ukhombe wena uka ANC. Yabona le sewe responsibility yabaholi bomkhonto wesizwe to go and conscientize wena ukuthi comrades njengoba bekususa laphana, yabona le bekuletha ngala, it's because kusho ukuthi umuhle kubantu, abantu uyabenzela izinto ezinhle, yabona le abantu bakuletha kule organization eyenzela abantu izinto ezinhle. Therefore I don't think ukuthi singakuvumela as an organization ukuthi siregister ngempela, yabona le, kodwa ube uclear ukuthi wena wenye inhlangano, yabona le, kodwa if abantu bekhomba in numbers emphakathini, definitely MK will make you a candidate unless otherwise wena ungekho interested ekufakeni emblem yomkhonto wesizwe.
No, kulungile asiqhubekele phambili usuke empendle umkhaya wakho uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Umkhaya wangempela.
Kodwa kule yaya ngifuna nje ukuthi ngiyigoqe ngidlule ngoba imini host. Umsholozi wathi ume deliver publicly.
Naye wangakinjalo umsholozi ukwazi lokho. Naye wangakithi.
Yeah, deliver ukuthi kungana khanda umkhonto, wathi ukhandela abantu bakwa ANC ukuthi bebe nekhaya ngoba ufuna ukuhlenga uKhongolose. Umphakathi wonke wazi lokho ukuthi umsholozi ukhanda umkhonto ukuze ezohlenga uKhongolose. So akukho la khona ukuhlukana khona imember yaka ANC nemember yomkhonto ngoba mhlambe uma ngenza iexample isibonelo, mina njengoba ngiyi-ANC nje ngiyazi ukuthi ngisekhaya elisafe mangabe ngikumkhonto ngoba umsholozi wathi uzohlenga ama members ka ANC njengoba nawe uyimember ka ANC. uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi, this whole big thing around him, ithi nitreata kanjani into nomkhaya wakho? Kwenzakalani? What is your take or your understanding or your comprehension?
Mageba, angikwazi ukuqala iqhubeka into kaMkhwanazi singakayilungisi le ka-ANC ye-statements ka-President Zuma.
Wena commander le bese kuyeyami and mina ngoba ngine-power as a host ukwenza ama-conclusions awami kulungile. So when ubusukwenzile wakucacisa konke ecabanga ukuthi ba-happy, a-happy ama-viewers.
No, it's fine. But fake declare ukuthi angiyona member ye-ANC. I'm a former member ye-ANC. But mhlawumbe singene kule kaMkhwanazi oyishoyo. Into kaMkhwanazi ngizoyisho nje ngokwe Victoria Mxenge zone engiyilidayo, yabo, because isho sike sayidiscuss kade kuzoba ne march le eyayibizwe I think uconvert uJacinta or something. So si discussile at zonal level, yabo, so sina iposition as izone, yabo. Into kaMkhwanazi siyakholwa kakhulu ukuthi it is politically motivated ukulwa naye.
Umuthi si usho umkhonto.
Ngikhuluma ngezone umkhonto wesizwe Victoria Mxenge. Yes, siyakholwa kakhulu ukuthi into ezenzeka kuMkhwanazi njengamanje zenzeka ngoba kunama politicians angekho happy ngaye ngendlela asebenza ngayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi uPresident Zuma into ayisho ilento ukuthi thina fast sibe ngabantu every time. Fast thanda abantu. Because abantu abaningi kwi-society ngani noma yephi bayamthanda uMkhwanazi. Majority yabahlali bakwaZulu Natal, I mean like ngikhuluma ngo 90%. Uyamthanda uMkhwanazi. Yabo? So but kunama politicians angcolile. Yabo? Akuyipower. Ekuyiwona alisa uMkhwanazi. Yabo? Now asikwazi ukuthi mangibuza ama details uthi uthatha blocko. You know uthi how politics and government complicated kangakanani. Yabo? So angikwazi ukuniza ama details. But one of the example engakutshela wona ukuthi uMkhwanazi wenza interview noma before uMkhwanazi wenza interview uminister Senzo Mchunu made a public announcement eyayithi i-cluster noma i-unit leyayidila ne-political killings kwaZulu Natal ivaliwe iphelile kwaZulu Natal. Then uMkhwanazi wenza interview after him wathi yena lonto akayazi uyibona emaphepheni. Now lonto ikutshela ukuthi kusho ukuthi one ngenze ukuthi usenza ka understand ukuthi political killings ibingakanani kwaZulu Natal noma ingakanani. Yabo? Or else kungenze ukuthi usenza khonta ifihlayo yabonto le. Yabo? So kuze ayilungise lento le akuluwe noMkhwanazi and uMkhwanazi uyala ukuthi lonto ayiphele. That class uMkhwanazi uyayilwela and abantu baZulu Natal bayayazi pain esinikezwe ama political killings. Yabonto le. So uMkhwanazi we believe ukuthi ujahela ukuthi akafuni le unity value ngoba uma ngabe ivalwa le unit kuzobuyela lesasimo where ama councillors abeshona day in day out. Yabonto le.
Okusho ukuthi you are saying before ngize ngimove kulokho I was insight la i-position ahleli kuyona uMkhwanazi as u-provincial commissioner, is it a political deployment or is it an organizational process uqashwa kwakhe?
No, I don't think it's a political deployment. Okay. I think
Ekasenzo is contrary. It's a political
deployment. Yes.
Okay. So then okusho ukuthi there is possibilities la ukuthi kuxabana ama comrades. There is if ungang insight ekutheni unayo any knowledge yokuthi uMkhwanazi ubelonga kuliphi i-political organization.
No, angikholwa ukuthi uMkhwanazi angimazi uMkhwanazi ubelonga kuliphi organization. Yabo nje ngisho uMkhwanazi wangakithi yabo kodwa ngisho nangakubo nje kwi-area yangakubo emakhuzeni la khulele khona akekho umuntu othi uyamazi uyi-political party. So kodwa mfethu ngokomsebenzi engimaze kuwona mina yabo umsebenzi wakhe uwenza ngendlela yabo akayifaki ipolitiki yabo uwenza nje ngendlela eqondile akakusebenzisa ukuthi mhlawumbe unendawo ayivikelayo mhlawumbe ukuthi ngoba owangasempela mhlawumbe uMaritzburg uzobavikela konke la senza khona uMkhwanazi ufika enza into efanayo.
Akabavikela belungu namandiya.
Hayi mfethu ngokwazi kwami mfethu ayakabavikeli mfethu.
Uhlala eSouth Africa?
Yebo.
eThekwini?
Yebo.
Uyakwazi ukuthi amandiya nabelungu corrupt?
Yeah, they are corrupt.
Sure.
Yeah, some of them are corrupt. We know them.
Have you ever heard ukuthi NIU idubula indiya noma umlungu?
Ngothi ngicabange.
Cabangisisa.
Ngicabanga. Mina angikaze ngizwe mfethu.
But laba abantu bayabenza ubudlobongela ba corrupt njengalaba abantu abadutshulwayo nabo.
Kodwa Mageba mangaba honest kuwena namageba angikaze ngibone nje kushawa imoto emali mfethu ishawa belungu mfethu.
It leads us now to the next that you alluded to, Lega Jacinta, Nama illegal foreigners, because it's a current matter, it's a current affair.
Sure.
We are developing. It's good because we link it. Now, the problem is as people aba neutral, naba investigator, naba to look through information critically. Iyona leyo ukuthi ubheka phezulu ucabange mangabe ukuthi iNIU yake yamdubula umndiya noma umlungu. NIU okay list ngiyibize ngama operations ka SAPS I've never been sengina close to 40 years ngaze ngafika kuthiwa kulela mandiya phansi yashawa amaphoyisa noma kulela belungu phansi yashawa amaphoyisa, but I live in South Africa and I understand ukuthi as much as black people or African people are involved in crime, so are the whites and so are the Indians. Now it comes back to this now. Even with the Nigerians, the Ghanaians, the Zimbabweans and everything else. Angaze futhi ngezwe kuthiwa or even read ephepheni kuthiwa kunama Nigerians adutshuliwe alaliswa phansi ashawe SAPS. But awuthi nje usuka empendle nje manje uhamba uyoganga ubona ukuthi uzokwenza nomkhwanazi. Umbuzo wami kusuthi ubuyela ekutheni usebenza kahle umkhwanazi.
Okay. Umkhwanazi angiqale ngalomuzo wakho umkhwanazi senza kahle. That's why mina nje ngiyakholelwa ukuthi mina personally ngiyamsupporta not because come on ngathi but izone yami again iVictoria Mxenge iyamsupport umkhwanazi. That's number 1. But number 2 le Makeba yokuthi sifuna ukucomparison ifuna sibe fair and honest. Yabona ngikwenzela iexample ngombuzo wodwa. Ikhona ni high school sokwayibona mfowethu ishawa India mfowethu.
I cannot say.
No.
Ufuna yes or no?
Yes or no?
Ake ngithi angazi.
Okay. Now, most abafowethu laba balinyazwa umkhwanazi no ngiyaxolisa ukuthi umkhwanazi no abalinyazwa amaphoyisa alidwa ucommissioner umkhwanazi. Isikhathi esiningi basuke kade bethinteka into enzo ma heist
extortion
extortion into zeinkabi yabona le
bengicela nje ukukuphazamisa ke loyo mina ke ngiyawazi ama cases ama extortions by Indians and white.
Yeah, okay, but the problem njengamanje ubuza mina umbuzo yabo in fact pendule ngolwazi lami enginalo lo lwakho unless uzoqala unginikeza ama details alezi zinto eyishoyo yabona le then ke I can comment but since ungeke unginikeza ama details ngicela uphendula lolwazi lami engilaziyo yabona le yabo
angaze ngisho ukuthi ngeke ngunikeze ama details
mina I know ukuthi Indians whites
they are not supposed to be killed.
Foreigners bayabenza ubugebengu
but they mustn't be killed.
No, if bedula umfowethu babulawe nabo.
Okay, no kulungile asebese siyakule ka Jacinta ukuthi
sure
wena do you support lento ka Jacinta yama illegal foreigners and stuff?
Yeah, but no ngiya support
or ukuthi we should march against them.
Definitely.
Ngicela ukuzwa ke ukuthi ubani omtreater as an illegal foreigner wena noma ke ngifuna futhi ukuthi usupport ngokuthi upresent iview iyomkhonto besides yours personally ungayisho ukuthi hayi le yami personally eyomkhonto ithi ngoba nginesho ukuthi on policies umkhonto unawo ama views in this.
Vethu eyami is very simple. Noma eyomkhonto is very simple. Mhlawumbe ngiphendule
yakho yomkhonto.
Yes, it's the same position. Anybody also South Africa undocumented or illegally documented, because there are people are illegally documented. Yabo, those are people ekufayele babuyisele emakhaya. Yabo le, those are people ekufayele ukuthi njengoba supporter le program ka Jacinta si supportela ukuthi si achieve that goal ukuthi asikline ezweni kungakhona umuntu owenza ubugebengu but angatraceke because there are no fingerprints. Even ubuso bakhe akukho la obukwazi ukurecognize khona yabantu le. Now but a person osuke ezweni lakhe legally so waya kwi embassy yakubo wathola yonke into efunakala we South Africa ngokuzofuna umsebenzi, mina lo muntu loyo angiliboni icala me South Africa because sengike ngakulamazwe ngaphandle isikakhulu la iduzane we South Africa bafowethu ipoverty lapha inzima kakhulu.
Okay, nokulungile kuze sizo ngoba sifanele sifike nakulena enye ye unionism.
Sure.
But umbuzo wami nje mhlawumbe oyu1 noma oyu2 before we move ile ethi do you believe in a straight yes or no ukuthi there are here in South Africa there are illegal white foreigners?
100%. I've been served by an illegal foreigner a restaurant. One of the restaurant of a bluff and I yabona I language ngamuzo khuluma ukuthi no lona uyi foreign and ngayibuza same time ukuthi ngabuza manager ukuthi lo owakuphi lo ngoba akuyena South Africa lo yabo and ngokwenza njalo bahamba wayengekho yethu ababe u4
but then vele we are served by foreigners. Umbuzo wami uthi are you aware ukuthi there are illegal white foreigners? You're not sure if that one was illegal or legal?
No, he was illegal.
Okay, so you are aware ukuthi akhona ama illegal white foreigners
100%.
and illegal Indian foreigners,
100%.
illegal Portuguese foreigners.
100%.
Good. Then umkhankaso wethu noma umkhankaso wenu, I like to use a collective, no, more especially lo leader uJacinta. Suka lapha eKing Dinizulu ushone phansi uthi ngigijime nishiswe yilanga nithi illegal foreigners must go. Ama illegal foreigners la engikhuluma ngawo ke manje amhlophe. Ahleli lapha eMhlanga, eBhalito, eCape Town, eMelrose. Nina ngigijima la phansi edolobheni la. Nithi ama illegal foreigners this that. Do you not think ukuthi fanele lithathe lo yamkhankaso newise la uhleli khona ama illegal foreigners enza ukuthi nala ala eze ebe on your face ngoba lama illegal foreigners any masha in between wona emgwaqeni alethwa yilana ahleli lapha in air conditioned rooms.
Siyasiqala Mageba. I-activism ukuyemgaqweni ukugijima emgaqweni is just to give a government the pressure because some decisions enziwa government yabona le now ngisho ungagijima ungena olwandle yabo if there is no willingness politically then it's not going to happen. Now umkhonto wesizwe uyayisupporta into ukuthi ama illegal foreigners ahanjiswa abuyisele emuva, black, white, Indian, all races yabona le siyakusupporta lokho kodwa because asenayo i-political power esokwazi ukuimplementa ngayo lonto leyo, we will support wonke ama activities, sigijime sigugele amateku ukutshengisa ugovernment nokutshengisa isupport kubantu bakithi abahlungezwa ama illegal foreigners ngama drugs and other things yabona le. But isikhathi uzobona kahle ngaso ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe awubafuna ama illegal foreigners it's when MK come into power yabo
sizoya ku MK coming into power.
Then that's where I can give you a answer with confidence ukuthi this is what's going to happen.
Okay, yabona sizoya khona so dlula futhi ngehope but ke umbuzo wami uthi wena we often view or see or observe you on social media, television, everywhere.
Sure.
Ugijima egroundini kuma kunama by elections in that particular ward uyahamba uyogijima khona
Sure.
ukuze nizowina leyo ward. Awukuthi kunama by elections e-ward 110 bese uyogijima e79.
Sure.
Umbuzo wami kusuthi with the illegal foreigners why ungayogijima e110 la kunama by elections khona uyeke u-ward 79 ngoba ama illegal foreigners kade ngichazela ukuthi ahlele 110 awekho lapha lapho wabona lapha mhlambe kuma neighboring wards alethwa ila ahlele 110 asikhulumi la ngogijima uyoshona olwandle sithi asitarget i-problem ihlele 110 why ungafuni ukugijima eMhlanga naseMelrose naseCape Town ugijima e79 ugeje 110?
No Mageba, I think iview yakho ukuthi ama illegal foreigners ahlele eMhlanga, mina ngwazi point ama illegal foreigners yabona le mina ngwazi ku West Street.
It's okay
yabo mina ngwazi ku West Street ama illegal foreigners
bluff la wakusave lapha eBluff.
No, abalwe yimina nje lawo abalwe yimina. So I'm saying ngicorrecta le ukuthi Mageba kungabe ngathi enama ngazi lawo washoyo yabo lawo washoyo I agree akhona but in numbers mawungena emathuneni ku West Street yabo ngilalela Mageba ngilalela Mageba mawungena emathuneni ku West Street on your right hand side it's Ethiopia. Mawungena emathuneni khulele emlazi ngena njalo mangena eThekwini ngena emathuneni yabona le so lo mgaqo bekumgaqo wethu esohlonipha mawungena manje even iphungile lapha uyazi Ethiopia. Mawuqeda ukudlula ulokhana I think uwindlu no Russell I don't know ngiyakhohlwa mgaqweni kuqala a new kind of foreigners yabona le so uzofika ezansi uzofika la ezansi point.
I don't mean to argue because you have to present the information but sesizodlulela kokunye if ungena ezimbali lapha yabo izimbali ungena uye eoffice
yes
ubafike banama units nama owners wakhona un90% walawo ama units alapha ezimbali ownwa ama foreigners either in Far East, go Turkey, go Dubai, Germany and everywhere else.
Sure.
Now I know ukuthi uzothi mhlambe they are legal foreigners. But I will say the very same thing nalapha ukuthi lama Ethiopians okhuluma ngabahlala lapha. They own almost wonke le block engalawo mangabe ukonaki opposite amathoni. I don't think they can acquire that property illegal, which is the same equitable stance nasezimbali ukuthi lama Germans, Dubaians or whatever you call it elapha ezimbali nakhona you can find the element of illegality uma ungaya khona. Into nje yami ngifuna ukuthi we understand ukuthi athi ama viewers noma uthi umphakathi noma ithi society siyan understand ukuthi you are fighting illegal foreigners, but perhaps you are backing up in the wrong tree. Asiqale kulawa lapha ezimbali la kade ngutshela ngawo ovumile wathi yes sure bese ke siyabuya siza nakula ala ku street.
Okay, there's another thing ngomzabalazo mfethu. Yabona umzabalazo obonwa yimina noma engulwayo ngangafana umzabalazo obonayo yabo. Therefore if mina ngibona ukuthi umzabalazo wami ukuthi lenkomi le glass le fangabe ihlala la phansi kwetafula,
yes,
wena wakho umzabalazo ubona ukuthi iglass le fangabe ihlala emva kwakho, so babili fasingene emzabalazweni ukuthi ungene kulo mzabalazo okholwa kuwona nami ngene lo ngikholwa kuwona, because kunzima ukulida umzabalazo ongawukholelwa noma ungawu-understand yabo. So I'm saying Makeba, I'm saying
Makeba, to understand lo mzabalazo olida. I'm
saying Makeba, yabo nje number 1 Makeba, let me tell you something, nezimbali ngaze ngi yabo. So I'm not sure about ukuthi obana abakhona izimbali noma obana abangekho, but mangitshela ngepoint ngikhulela eThekwini ngibhuda la eThekwini ngidlala eDahwili kusenesonto la eDahwili yabantu la. Now mangikhuluma ngepoint ngikhuluma ngendawo engiyaziyo ukuthi they are illegal foreigners yabantu la. Mangikhuluma ko West Street ngikhuluma ngendawo engiyaziyo yabo. So I'm saying there is nothing wrong ngabantu abaraise ama issues ngama illegal foreigners asezimbali, because bayakwazi izimbali yabo. Yabo they are familiar with izimbali yabo. There is nothing wrong and leso struggle basithathe,
okay,
so basupporta kusona yabo. But we must not be blamed ngokuthi thina sibona istruggle sila fast sithathe la istruggle bese kuthiwa no siyeke lesi nisibonayo jahani lesi sibonayo ithina.
It's fine, let us be progressive and try and be brief now because now isikhathi sina.
Sure.
But into edlulayo sizoya ekutheni why umkhonto ongaphethe bese siya ekutheni imapha ama problems, I mean ama programs that you would like to share with locals. But why umkhonto ongaphethe? And futhi ke ngibuziswa nawo ukuthi usushilo wathi struggle sethu asifani. Esami struggle sithi khona lapha ezimbali kwakunomoba izwe la kaZulu la occupy ama foreigner, umkhonto ucula ukuthi take back the land. Will we be able to claim that land mangabe umkhonto usuphethe? But ngicela ukuthi uqale ungitshela ukuthi kungani umkhonto ongaphethe kodwa wavotelwa abantu waba i-majority, not i-majority as in 50+1, but amavoti amaningi like KZN basically akumkhonto.
The answer is very simple. Umkhonto wantshontsha amavoti amaningi kakhulu yabo. Asiqale lapho kuqala because ngifaka nezine evidence kwi-ward yami wa 29 sine VD eyodwa where i-slip lesi sign ama-party agent nento evela kwi-IEC system ama-results akhona awafani yabo. I-MK yayiwine mhlawumbe yayithola mhlawumbe about 1200, but i-DA ithola mhlawumbe about 50, but kuleya VD ngikhuluma ngento engine-proof yayo evidence. Kuleya VD ma uyocheck manje kwi-system yaka-IEC noma ngawaphethe ama-figures, but i-DA inento la ku-800, i-MK ila ku-400
yabo.
Okay, so amavoti 800 ntshontsho. Then let's move kuleya bangena kwi-parliament yabonto le. Now this is what happened comrades parliament because people are blaming i-MK ukuthi yahlule ukunegotiator as an organization yayineyinamba eziningi 45%, yahlule ukunegotiator namaqembu amancane.
Sisho la
KZN, yes, khuluma la KZN because nationally santshontshela nje phela sibeka lapho kule yase KZN. Into yase KZN eshaka kakhulu was not part of ama negotiators yabo. Kodwa information enginayo nengi-understandayo futhi nami political ithi lezi inhlangano encane yo NFP yo IFP abesenobudlelwane esebenzisana ne-ANC already komasipala abaningi. Now ukuthi i-NFP for instance ngoba yona inhlangano ekagcina wangathi siyasebenzisana nayo ngo last minute yasidrop yayingavuma ukuthi ithole mhlambe o-MEC abawu3 bese iluza bonke labo meno MMC batholile komasipala ebibanikezwa i-coalition yabo ne-ANC kwangekho lula politically yabo. Mina nje ngiya-understand i-decision yabo ukuthi kwangekho lula because yayisisho into ukuthi i-leadership ephezulu izicabangele yona kuphela ukuthi ayithole yona ama-position then the rest laba abaphetho abahome abahobani baphuca because i-ANC definitely i-brutal yayivele izobaphuca labo masipala ukube kuthiwa babe kade bebambisana ne-MK. So I think that's a reason singalokhu siya kuma details amaningi.
No, iyazwakala futhi ke it's my first time ukuthola leyo reason and it sounds quite substantive. Kulungile comrade sesifika noma ke commander so ungixolele sesifika towards the end of this show. Hopefully you will come back for part 2 because kuningi onakho and nami kuningi engisafisa ukubuzela abantu akubuzi mina kubuza abantu. Yini esingase siyitholeke kuwena noma sikubona ngoba phela siyakulandela sikubona uyenza going ahead noma yipi program onayo ngoba nihlezi nama program lapha kumkhondo singakuthola usuwenza in the upcoming few weeks or days.
No makhela hlaba siqale sibonge nje i2 sibonge nale platform I see young people here ngiyabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe mawusithola amandla ukuphatha uzophatha abantu abasha kuyibona abaphethe izinto. Asibonge nje ithuba nesinikeza lona but kule yama program yami yokuqala nje kamanje sekhanda kumina ukuthi abantu abahambe bayovotela umkhonto wesizwe e110 sine by election ela eThekwini njengomunye wabaholi abala eThekwini sizimisela le by election siwin iwadi ke ephethwe iDA laba bamhlophe bavota kakhulu. I'm lobbying anybody o registered e110 umvoti ukuthi akahamba uvotela iMK i-candidate yase 110 umuntu ovotele umphakathi saba interviewer ko door to door abantu bazisholo bona bafuna bani umuntu okhethwa abantu akafika ngane MK ngalo ndlela angiqale ngokuncenga nje abantu ukuthi ngomhla ka16 bayovotela i-candidate lapha 110 but when masibuyela back kwi Victoria Mxenge zone la ngikhona njengamanje sine program that is very important my leader or my brother
yes I am
commander no sine program ngomhla ka1 May uyazi ukuthi ke uMay 1 usuku labasebenzi so njengezone si resolve emhlanganweni ebese nawo uma kuphela uMarch ukugcina umhlangano kaMarch si resolve ukuthi asibe ne rally ezobe ilapha eAshaville eWard 31 eSignam ema ground lapha eAshaville irally yabasebenzi bonke bomkhonto wesizwe kodwa maglases zomkhonto sihambe ngisho into wrong yama members omkhonto wesizwe angabasebenzi kodwa part of that rally esifisa ukwenza ngoba si-invite uPresident Zuma sa-invite uCommander uWillis Mchunu sa-invite namanye ama-comrades nje ngabalo comrades umncedisi ngathi waziwa ngetiyelo gogo eMtshezi umsebenzi nawo waxoshwa eMaritzburg exoshela ukuthi usewumkhonto wesizwe so sim-invite nazo sixoxela ukuthi kum-affecte kanjani ukuba umkhonto wesizwe kuyi-workplace. Now that rally enye into esifisa iyenze umkhonto wesizwe awunayo i-union e-affiliate nomkhonto wesizwe. Now sifisa abasebenzi masebe khona bonke behlangene bayixoxe lento ukuthi noma bayipresent kuPresident Zuma na Comrade Willis and other comrades azobe khona ukuthi bayafisa ukuthi kube ne-union ezosebenza isebenzisane noma ibe ne-alliance nomkhonto wesizwe ngoba abaningi babo they are being victimized isikakhulu labo basenza kahulumeni they are being victimized by the very same comrades aka ANC aphethe umasipala and aphinda lead ama unions lawa affiliate ne COSATU ne ANC. So simema bonke abasebenzi nje abayimembers zomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi abafike ngoba ngisho kuthiwa usuka kude kangakanani woza laphana kube ne platform where we will engage leadership ukuthi can we form a union if singesiforme iphi union esingaba kuyona, because enye iqiniso mageba efasilisho siyawusana umkhonto wesizwe kodwa kunabantu abakumkhonto wesizwe abangawusana umkhonto wesizwe abasenzele lithuba lokuthi kunabasebenzi abangenayo union babathatha imali bengabaholi bomkhonto wesizwe. So lonto leyo umsebenzi mengasekho represented engasakwazi usizakala ugxeka umkhonto wesizwe. So sisike sifuna ukuvala lo gap. Umkhonto wesizwe akube history ukuthi eAshaville ngomhla ka1 May abasebenzi ababe members omkhonto wesizwe bahlangana bavumelana ukuthi akwakhiwe iorganization ezosebenza nomkhonto wesizwe. So simema wonke umuntu umsebenzi ukuthi abe khona nongasebenzi yamema, because ngoko understanding yami umuntu working class umuntu osebenza nongasebenzi ngoba nalo ongasebenzi uphila ngetax yomsebenzi. So we working class nawe. So simema wonke umuntu osebenzayo ongasebenzi babe ingxenye le program siyathemba present zobe khona. Ngiyabonga.
No siyezwa sesifike egcineni kohlelo. Ngicela ukubuza nje imibuzo emithathu ka yes or no bese siyavala. Itheusa yeusa MK Labour Desk leli dongcobo zonke lezi zinto esizibona zi very active ziyayipromote zithi ziyama Labour Desk ama unions affiliate kumkhonto uthi lezo zinto azikho.
Angisho kanjani
ama unions lawa ya ngicela ukubeka ama unions lawa ya afika kuthina njengabasebenzi emsebenzini yethu bethi asijoyine ba affiliate kumkhonto. Usho ukuthi ba valid noma ba unvalid futhi angingakubeki ngesingisi abekho noma bakhona.
Bakeba into affiliation nomkhonto wesizwe iyomenyezelwa uGeneral Secretary womkhonto wesizwe uFloyd Shivambu.
Okusho ukuthi konke lokho okufikayo
kungaze official umkhonto comrades. Mina I'm saying ubantu aba umkhonto don't take those people serious. That's my message.
Kusho ukuthi ba into engekho nje.
Angisho njalo ukuthi ba into engekho because bakhona ubabiza ngamagama, but mina ngithi umkhonto wesizwe akwazi umemezela ukuthi une union noma une Labour Desk officially akazi umkhonto wesizwe umemezela.
Siyabonga. We have come to an end of the show and you mzwile uguest wethu. There's nothing validated ngotheusa yeusa MK Labour Desk as he has said. So ningabi misled. Umkhonto wesizwe awukakabi nayo iLabour Union. In summary, siyabonga kakhulu umholi wethu uGcina Dlamini from Victoria Mxenge zone as coordinator. Thank you very much. Kuleya camera leya ngicela unginxenxela umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi uyibuke le session uyifollowishe le channel le oyithanda kangaka elidwa abantu abasha.
No ma members omkhonto wesizwe ngiyacabanga ukuthi sonke fasilithola ithuba lokuza la sizokhuluma ngeorganization yethu sonke siyithandayo. So ngiyanqanqa ukuthi si-subscribe si-followishe ko Facebook ko YouTube everywhere le channel si-support yabantu abasha izosisiza kakhulu. Thina ke siphuma kwinto emnandi kakhulu thina ngoba asifunwa i-mainstream media. So lama channels akanje siyawa support kumele so wonke umuntu omkhonto wesizwe ngiyacela i-support nokuthi ke futhi nani siyanimema ukuthi nibe khona ngomhla ka1 so that nizokwazi uku-interviewa nabaholi nikwazi nokunikeza i-progress yalokho esixoxa njengamanje.
Cha siyabonga umholi wethu from Victoria Mxenge zone as coordinator of umkhonto wesizwe. Siyabonga kakhulu umholi ngokuthi ufike uyihloniphe i-invitation yethu. Thank you.
Siyabonga makhelwane.